Hey there, and welcome. If you're part of a mission-driven organization, you know that every single minute and every single dollar counts. Today, we're kicking off a series with a quick start guide to a technology that could be a total game changer for how you work, generative AI. So let's dive in and see how it can become your new secret weapon.
Just think about it for a second. What if you had an assistant who never got tired? One who could draft fundraising emails, brainstorm event ideas, and organize volunteer schedules, like right when you need them. That frees you up for the work that truly matters, connecting with your community. Well, that's the powerful promise of generative AI.
So what exactly is this technology anyway? In our first section here, we're going to break down the basics of generative AI, what it is, and maybe more importantly, why it's becoming such an essential tool for organizations just like yours. Okay, so what it really boils down to is this. Generative AI is like a creative engine. It's learned from this huge library of human knowledge, and it uses that learning to generate brand new content. It's less like a search engine that finds information that's already out there, and more like a creative partner that builds something new, like an email draft or a project summary, from scratch, just for you. Okay, but why does this actually matter for you? Well, because it directly tackles the biggest hurdle for most community organizations: not enough time and not enough resources. Just imagine AI handling the first draft of your weekly newsletter or personalizing a whole batch of donor emails. This saves an incredible amount of time and frees up your entire team, staff, and volunteers to focus on the work that really moves the needle. All right, enough with the theory, right? Let's get practical. In this next part, we're going to take a quick tour through 4 key areas where AI can make an immediate difference. Think of these as little sneak peeks of the deep dives we'll be doing in future explainers. First up, content creation. Honestly, for many organizations, this is the easiest and most impactful place to start. We're talking about drafting emails, social media posts, all those vital communications that really fuel your mission.
And this shows you just how simple it is. You don't need to be a tech expert or know how to code. You just give the AI a clear instruction, which is called a prompt. I mean, look at this one. It's specific, it sets the tone, it includes the key details, and it has a clear call to action. The AI takes that and gives you a solid first draft in seconds.
Next, let's talk about volunteer support. Your volunteers, they're the absolute lifeblood of your organization, right? Well, AI can help you support them more effectively without adding a ton more to your own plate. Think about all the documents you need for your volunteers. Instead of staring at that blinking cursor on a blank page, you can use a prompt just like this one. It asks the AI to create a structured one-page guide. You get an organized outline almost instantly. That's hours of admin work just gone, freeing you up to actually support your team.
Now for a really crucial area, donor relations. Building and keeping those relationships strong is everything, and AI can help you add that personal touch even when you're totally swamped. Donor stewardship isn't just a one-time thank you. It's about showing your ongoing impact. With a prompt like this, you can quickly whip up a draft for an impact update, sharing a powerful story that reminds donors exactly why their support matters so much. It's a fantastic way to keep your communication consistent and meaningful.
And for our final stop on this quick tour, event planning. We all know events have like a million moving parts, and AI can act as your tireless planning assistant through it all. How great is this? You can basically ask the AI to be your second brain, to think through all the logistical details you might forget. This prompt asks for a super comprehensive checklist. It helps make sure nothing falls through the cracks, from venue prep all the way to day of signage. Okay, so we've seen how incredibly powerful this tool can be. But, and this is a big but, with great power comes great responsibility. In this next section, we really need to slow down and talk about how to use AI safely and ethically to protect your community, your donors, and your organization. First things first, we have to understand what we're protecting. It's something called PII, or Personally Identifiable Information. Basically, it's any data that can be used to identify a specific person. Your community trusts you with this information, and protecting that trust is absolutely non-negotiable. Now, this slide right here has the single most important rule of using AI safely. The big takeaway is this: never, ever input real personal information into a public AI tool. Always use placeholders, like you see in the Do This example. You generate the template using AI, then you copy it over and fill in the private details safely on your own secure computer.
It's also really critical to know when not to use AI. For sensitive situations like crisis communications or high-stakes decisions like hiring, you need human empathy. You need human judgment. AI is an amazing tool, but it is not a replacement for your expertise, your personal connections, or professional legal and financial advice.
Okay, we've covered what AI is, how you can use it, and how to do it safely. So, what's next? This final section is your action plan. It's about turning all this info into a clear path forward for your organization. Here are your first 6 steps. And listen, the key is, don't try to do everything at once. Start small. Pick just one task to try it out on, like drafting those thank you notes. Choose a free tool to experiment with. And most importantly, create simple guidelines and train your team on safe use before you start. Then you can measure the impact and see how it works for you.
And if you take away just one single thing from all this, let it be this right here. AI is a powerful assistant, but it is not a replacement for the heart of your mission. It can handle the to-do lists, but it can't replicate the passion, the relationships, and the human connection that truly drive your work. We've really only scratched the surface today. In our upcoming explainers, we're going to dive so much deeper into each of these areas, from advanced fundraising appeals to analyzing program data. But for now, the potential is in your hands. This is a powerful tool, and it's waiting for your direction. The question isn't if AI can help, but how will you use it to amplify your mission and serve your community?